Feel all alone, having reckless thoughts, young and trying to make it to the top. Never been a one to stop, back on my grind. Daddy, little princess, only here to count checks. Nah, should've said grown queen, baby face, but my body looking like I'm 23. Niggas mad cause they ain't never tapped, bitch. The same one get tapped with a gat. Welcome. So when you first walk in, the first thing that you're gonna see, I'm gonna try to make it a little bit brighter for you guys. The first thing that you'll see in my apartment is a window. The blinds is right here, but then I have like this blanket. It's a blanket my dad had given me, so I just put it over my couch or whatever to cover it. That's a throw blanket that I leave because sometimes it gets really cold, because over there you'll see the AC and stuff. So this is my table and stuff I was gonna paint, and then I have pictures underneath the table. I have an issue with TVs, clearly, because I had that TV and it didn't work. Then I had that TV and then like it gave out on me, but whatever. So now I have this TV, and luckily it has warranty, so it'll be okay. My sad plant, they were twins and they died. That's just some boxes of movies over there. Oh, I can't show you guys outside. Hold on, wait a minute. Because I thought about that. I'm like, wait, I live where I live at. That's just my diploma, and then that's my diploma from college. Yes. Then we have this picture. So it's just a DJ and it's a girl, so you know, if you know me, you know I have that picture. That's a plant. It's not a real plant. And then I have this cat. It releases like lavender and stuff. That's when I did cheerleading. So like I love the aesthetic of my living room. It's so freaking pretty. So like the setup of it, I don't know if I would change it. I like how it is. So on this wall, then there's a picture of me when I graduated high school, right? And then I had found these at the Dollar Tree. This was my favorite part of the apartment, is because when I'm in the kitchen, I could look at what's going on in the living room at the same time. And then up here it just says, "Be joyful always." Then there's a picture of my grandpa. May he rest in peace, because you know, that's my grandpa. And then this is the same thing as the other side. And then I have these two cookbooks, and then these are more recipes. And then this candle smells really good. I just bought it at Walmart. It's $3. You're welcome. This is not sponsored. So it's a mango melon. Those are bananas I need to hurry up and eat. So when you walk around, this is what would be the dining room area of my apartment. So clearly I don't have a table yet because I don't really have people over like that. Hi, this is my mirror. I love that's there. I just feel like it makes the room look bigger. And then I have this thing for butterflies, so I put butterflies going out, and then these are the two chairs. I was gonna change them into bar stools because it's a little bit wobbly, but I don't know if I want to do that just yet. This is just a cute poem that I put in between the butterflies and everything like that, so that's pretty cool. On this part of the apartment, this is my kitchen area. If you guys like add me on Snapchat and stuff, then you know that I do baking. Like this is for a cake order, this is for the cake order or whatever, so I'm gonna do that. And then this is a sink. I like that it has two sides. These are just more paintbrushes. Sometimes I paint. This was a brownie that I made. It was so freaking good. So it's a brownie. I like how there's so much cabinet space and cabinet room in this apartment, just because of the fact that I bake and I do treats and stuff. And then I guess I could show you the fridge now that I have food and stuff in here. So I have like my food and stuff inside here, and then like I'm extra. I like labeled breakfast and fruits and stuff just because I needed to be organized. And then that's just what I have going on that side. That's on my baking stuff on this side and everything like that. So that's the fridge and the freezer, and then that's just the storage. So that completes, like from here you can see like everything in the, oh, I don't like that you can see outside. So here you can see like everything pretty much that is in my living room and stuff from the view that I see it, and I like that. And then that's it for that part of the apartment. So moving forward, in this hallway I have just a storage closet, which is over here, and this is like for my cleaning stuff, mop, broom, and then like garbage bags, toilet paper, stuff like that, and then boxes I don't need. So I have this picture that I like a lot. So it's Marilyn Monroe that I put up here, and then on this side a good friend of mine painted this picture and they didn't get an opportunity to finish it. So I'm like kind of thinking I might finish it, but I kind of don't want to touch it just because their hands were the last ones to be on it. So that's that. I always have it there. So that's just a storage unit, AC unit, you know, 'cause air. And then this is like kind of my favorite part of the bathroom. My favorite part of the apartment would definitely be the bathroom, because it's blue, and blue is literally my favorite color. If anybody knows me, like, blue is my favorite color. If you know me at all, then you know blue is my favorite color. So this over here, this is just the curtain gonna put y'all on. Family Dollar is where I got the whole set. So it just says to wash your hands, and then it has a little bathtub, and then this one says soap is to the body what laughter is to the soul. And then there was a little thing on there, like I said, it's from Family Dollar and fell off. So other than that, I mean, the set is cute because it like matches the curtains. Like, I like the set of it and everything like that. So I got this from Five Below, and this was basically like it's like a sand thing. It's so calming. And then there's a little monk on there. This is for people that don't like, people like SMRs and people don't like ASMRs. This is so convenient because there's not a, up there, there's not really a vent. They just use that to cover it. So this makes it smell good in my bathroom. I did a DIY on how to do these basically, and they're so cute. So I put in, this one is like pads for it. That's my lip scrub. Then that's dental floss, and then this one is Q-tips, and then that one's cotton balls, and then this is to go with it. So I got these from the dollar store, and I just added some cute little decorative stones to the bathroom because I like the aesthetic of it. It looks so cute. And yeah, that's the mirror, and this is the bathroom. So this is what the bathroom looks like. And then you guys basically almost saw my whole apartment. I'm gonna show you the room, but only a little bit. I don't want to show too much. So if you guys see like videos that I post, so this is the bed set that I have, and then over here I got this little rug from Five Below. It was really cute and really cheap. My grandma made this chair for me, and then this is where like all my electronics and stuff are basically. So all my electronics and stuff are over here. And then moving forward to this side of the room, this is just where I keep all my makeup at and stuff like that. I have a candle, and then that's all my contact stuff, things like that. Then in this area, this is gonna be like my backdrop from now on for my videos. Like, I made it by myself, which is so cool. And then I have like a cute mirror, and then like a dresser here. So that was my room. Over there is my closet. It is a very nice closet, I'm not gonna lie. And then I have a mannequin, and I just put my clothes and stuff that I need or I'm gonna wear on there. And that's my cap from when I graduated. That's just things that I need to get done. And then down there, that's a picture that I made myself, and I really want to hang it up right over there, but it keeps falling every time I try to hang it up. So it's just gonna be like a glitter picture. So getting out of my room, and back into the living room, which is cool for me. So basically, if you guys like this, I look a little bit crusty, but it's fine. If you guys like this video, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe so I know that you like videos like this. And this is my apartment. Bye guys.